Hi guys, an important video for all our numerical subject students. So guys, in order to save time, there is no option to decrease your number of steps. You will not get marks if you are directly putting your answer. There is no marking for that. The marking is always stepwise in numerical questions. So you need to manage your time in such a manner that you are not missing out on relevant steps, plus at the same time you are able to complete your exam. Just in order to complete exam, some students are missing out on the basic steps which are required to show to examiner. So don't miss out on basic steps. Even if your answer is correct, examiner will not allot you marks if you have not shown your working. So you can skip giving detailed working, but yes, relevant working has to be there in your answer in order to score perfect. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. Thank you.